Hi everyone, Ray here. On this video, I'm going to show you how to withdraw from the Shopback app. In my dashboard, you can see I have a total of 3,249.83 pesos of lifetime earnings. So this is the amount I earned ever since I started using Shopback. And in order to withdraw, we go to account. My available funds to withdraw is 204.33. Click withdraw. As you can see, I have set up 2 of my bank accounts to withdraw, and I'm going to select BDO. Minimum amount to withdraw is 200, so we can withdraw this now. Enter the OTP sent to your number, and there you go. Let's just wait for my withdrawal to be processed. You can check the withdrawal history over here. As you can see, I've withdrawn 2 times before, and this is my 3rd. You can click this to view the status of your request. It says here I should expect it by June 17. Today is June 10, by the way. You can see my previous withdrawal requests. As you can see here, I still have 1,205.29 pending earnings as of right now, which I will be able to withdraw soon once released. So that's it, guys. You can withdraw as simple as that. If you'd like to learn more about Shopback and how you can earn while shopping online, then you can check this video out. Don't forget to like this video, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell in order to be notified on more videos similar to this. Thank you guys. Bye. So that's